What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, my bad, guys. Getting started about 10 minutes late here. Did have some, well, as you see in the chat. So, CFRX, matter of fact, let's take a look at it together real quick. Get into some live renewal bearing right off the bat. Alright, so there's this one, SIEN, Sientra. This is mooning on some FDA news, whatever. Trying to short this one at 275. It's already pulling back, so not sure if that's gonna fail, but trying. So SIEN there, and then we also got this one, which looks like the major runner, CFRX, currently up 63%. Now, you're gonna probably need a lot of margin for this because, yeah, it is not, there's no shares left, and even myself, who has a lot of buying power, can't even get the shares that I want here. So, maybe I gotta sell some stuff off. I don't know. So I don't think I'll be able to get a full fill here. Maybe in the morning. Wow, Forza's going nuts still, huh? That's crazy. Yeah, there's not much I can cover either. Well, I guess I'll just take a partial fill then. Anyway, plays mooning right now are CFRX and SIEN. And there's some other stuff. DocuSign's going up a little bit, but those are the big ones. CFRX, SIEN, and yeah, that's it. But CFRX is mooning quite a bit, so I don't know. Maybe I can get a really good price there. Anyway, back to the intro. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Koya? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
Carvana, this MF market is having every poop stock to pump. WTF, man, no pullback in market at all, like Forza. Yeah, I don't know what's up with Forza. Well, I'm glad the market overall is up, for sure. But, yeah, I don't know what's up with Forza, dude. That thing just keeps pumping every single day. And it's like, it's pretty volatile, too. The price, actually, that it's still having. Pretty insane there. So, not too thrilled, not too happy about that. But, I am still in there. I ain't getting squeezed out just yet. So, yeah, hopefully that, I mean, eventually, it's coming down. But this is crazy, for sure. Okay. Yeah, I just covered microvision, too. Alright. I can hear the first siren of the day. Alright, guys, so today is Wednesday, June 8th, 2023. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Tendytown. Tendytown, let's go. All major indexes in the green here, especially the NASDAQ. So I hope you guys made some fat tendies. I don't think I did. I actually think I lost quite a bit. But we'll get to that in a second. Yeah, today was not great at all. Alright, so what do we got for today? So as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. I think we have 3 articles today. Let me double check here. We got 5 articles, my bad. We got 3 crypto articles. two about Binance US, one about Crypto.com, and then two regular. Actually four, and then one about GM, and then of course, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. My place today, today for the TA, we are gonna do, as you see in the title, GME. Wow, Mullen is that's funny. Mullen is getting wrecked again, dude. Mullen is down to 47. Oh my god, that's crazy. Sorry about the sirens, guys. Gonna talk over it. But, yeah, Mullen is down to 47 now. That's really, really sad. What a poop stock. Alright, so we're not gonna do that. Although I guess we can, but I'm tired about that. I'm tired about talking about that stock. So, GME, we'll do that one, and then Carvana, as you see in the title, and then also BAOS, which, full disclosure, I am currently short. But yeah, GME, Carvana, GME, CVNA, and BAOS, and then anything else you guys want me to look at. And then we'll finish up with the YOLOs, and we only got 5 YOLOs today, so it shouldn't take too long. So yeah, we started a bit late, so we got some cashing up to do here. Alright, let's do it. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Alright, let's go. What up, Chilo? Do you pre-borrow shares for shorting? No, personally, I do not. I'm not saying you shouldn't do that. Plus, that's usually reserved for hedge funds, which eventually, realistically, like in a year or two, I do want to open one. But no, personally, I don't. That's usually more of an advanced thing for like institutions. But maybe one day, yes. But as of right now, no. Okay. So, looks like nothing going on here. So we'll get right into it. Let me refresh this. Alright, yeah, so CFRX S. Oh, what's this? We got something new here. That was quick. AHI. That literally just popped up out of nowhere. I think it's low float. $32. Let me check this one out. AHI. I mean, it's low float. A little risky, but you know what? I'll go for it. Yeah, a little risky because it is so low float, but could pay off pretty big too. Anyway, so no news, but I have an order in here at 45. Short order at 45, so we'll see if that hits. Bid is 42, ask is 44, so need a little more upside here. Okay. Now let's triple check. I just got filled on 3 shares. The ask is 45 now, so I think I should get filled here pretty soon. Getting filled. They just ran out of shares. But I got a partial fill. And now it's mooning at 48, so hopefully I get a... Wow, now it's mooning at 50. So hopefully I get a full fill here, but it's already up 10%. Okay. Well, I'm already down there. Nice. It's already up to 53, bro. That's crazy. Alright, I'm getting wrecked. Look at that. Big green Shrek candle here. Alright. Hopefully that's short-lived. Wow, that just went to 59, dude. Yeah, it's squeezing. This could be bad. See? Told you it could be bad. So hopefully it's already heavily shorted, so hopefully it comes down here, but yeah, ask is at 60. That is not good. Anyway, so yes, give me the full fill and bring it back down, please. Oh no, it's going to 63. This is insane. Uh-oh. Can you say go? Yep, it's at 62, 64 now, actually, which is 106%. Looks pretty strong. A lot of volume, RSI 83. Alright, well, can't hold up forever, but this is pretty disgusting at the moment. Alright, so I'm partially in here at 45. So not going too good, but hopefully this pulls back. Okay. I decided to join you, but then when no shares just went long, small position just for fun. Alright, dude, good luck. Some advice. If there's no shares, I'm not sure which brokerage you use, but if you want to take shorting seriously, you have to use IBKR. And when there's no shares, you should just leave the order in, and you'll likely get filled. Well, you might get filled later on. A lot of times you do. So yeah, that's part of shorting. You have to wait. Sometimes, a lot of the times, there's no shares. You have to wait, and you know, hopefully, be able to get some. Okay. Cool. So yes, post market here is AHI, CFRX, and SIEN. Okay, let's refresh one more time, and let's get started with the show. Alright, all good. Cool. And let's do my plays, and there's quite a few. Welcome, Sheila. Always love to spread the knowledge. Where's my knowledge? Knowledge, yeah. Alright, give me a second here. Gotta update this. Hoth Farm. Okay. Holy crap, AHI just ran at 70, dude. What is going on? Well, congrats, Chilo. Just make sure you hit the sell button at some point, you know? It's squeezing. Wow, that's insane. Yeah, these post-market moves lately have not been kind to me. It's like I do pretty decently during the day, and then post-market is just straight good. Yeah, this is at a 71. Just got out quick 70 profit. Congrats, dude. Happy for you. I give myself the meme here. He sold, he shorted, pump it. You already know. So, my sacrifice for your profit. Alright, yeah, that's still going strong, though. That's at 72. Totally absurd, totally absurd. Okay, let's do it. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12 plays today. Yeah, alright, let's do it. So, IMGN, damn, up 8.8%, down 385. APLD up 4.85%, down 255. ENVB down 1%, up 35. WLDS down 6.85%, up 690. Nice. ACON, damn. ACON up 19%, down 640. FRZA, ridiculous stock, up 7.65%, down 420. Nice. So we got 420 and 690. ATOHOTH. Oh, wow. Man, Chilo. Thank you a lot. So that's 35 Canadian. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that, dude. Haven't got a super chat here in a while, and that is a very generous super chat. So really appreciate that. And that's quite a cut of the profit there. So much appreciated. Thank you very much. Okay. Forgot what I was just talking about. Oh. Yeah, so, I wasn't done with my plays yet. So, FRZA, alright, did that, yeah, down 420. HOTH, up 50. FRAM, down 30. MOGL, up 600. And, yeah, so the big gut today is BAOS, down 1,900 there. That's currently up 120%. Getting wrecked. And then MIMO, I am up 480 there. I got a pretty good price there at like 26. And then, oh my goodness, AHI is up to 82 now. Holy crap. Yeah. So it wasn't actually that bad until I shorted AHI right now. It's up to 85. Wow, what is going on? What is going on? That is insane. Look at this chart. 86. It's just not stopping. 88? Bruh. Where's all my money going? Yeah, this is like 10 straight minutes of squeezing. 89. Wow. Yep. Good. Where is... Wow, hit 95, bro. He shorted. He sold, he shorted. Pump it. Already know. And here comes the siren. Yeah, this is up to 95. That's really, really not good. I'm already down over 100%. Go. I mean, nothing abnormal. This is a normal day of life of a rainbow bear, but now this is really absurd. It's up 200. It is now up 220%. It hit $1, dude. What is going on? And it's just like, bro, where's the red? It's just so ridiculous. Just like literally 11 straight minutes of green. Where is the red? Wow. Alright, well, can't do anything here. Currently down a lot of money. This is really absurd. It's up 215% and not showing any signs of weakness just yet. So, well, starting to come down to 90. You know what? I just shouldn't even jinx it. But it's down to 93. So we'll see what ends up happening. But yeah, a lot of price action here. Up AHI up 200%. All right. So it's getting a lot of volume. They just got the most volume. And it was red. It was negative. So maybe it's done. I don't want to jinx it. But it's starting to show weakness. Alright. What up, Mark? What's up? Can you chart MGOL, please? Thank you. Yes, for sure. I think we did that yesterday, right? But yeah, you already know. Full disclosure, I am currently short. Made quite a bit today, but yeah, still currently short that. So sure, we'll get to that. 95 cents WTF, should have went long on it for a quick scalp. Yeah, I mean, in hindsight, definitely should have went long if it were that easy, right? No, it's all good. It looks like it's pulling back now, and yeah, I'm not too worried. IBKR allowed shorting at 45, but now $1 is contract available for shorting for sale. All right, so here's something else. So when that happens, and I just figured this out. All right, this is not like financial advice. So the way you get around that is you have to glitch the app. So I'm gonna show you how to glitch IBKR right now. Okay, so this is what you do. That's what you do. So you don't. So when you come to the order page here, you hit sell, right, as you normally do. So you come to this page, your order page, right? So you just change time in force to aftermarket outside. Don't touch anything. Keep quantity at 100. Keep the limit price, whatever it is, currently 79. Only thing you do, click the outside trading hours, and then just submit it. Just submit the order, just as it is. Only thing you change is time in force to outside regular trading hours. Submit it. It should go through. Then you have to modify it to whatever you want. Try that. Okay? So you got what I said? Do not change anything on the order page except time in force to outside regular trading hours. Submit, modify to whatever you want the order to do. And that's how you glitch and get around that stupid contract not available for short sale. Yeah, okay. I didn't tell you that. Yeah, so that's something I just figured out just using IBKR for a couple of years now. They do that. They try to lock you out of the shares sometimes when there really is none, and that is one way you can get around that. That is the way to get around that. So try it out. Let me know if it works, Chilo. But yeah, that's back to does that work on desktop as well? I actually don't know. I don't even use the desktop, to be honest. Desktop app. I use Thinkorswim desktop app, and then I just submit it on IBKR mobile. So no idea, but you can try it out. I just don't really like the desktop app. It's really I don't like the UI too much. All right. So it looks like this is pulling back now and could be done, but it could also be a bull flag in the making. So I don't want to say anything too quick. Anyway, yeah, this is going nuts here. AHI 200%, and currently getting wrecked. Always fun, always fun. What is this? AKU. A lot of action here, huh? AKU, that is mooning. So I'd go for 56 here. Yeah, I guess I go for this one too. All right, order in for AKU 56 cents. I may be too late. It's already back down at 50. I may have been just like a second too late here, bro. Oh, that's tough. No, come on, come back, come back. I literally think I was like 10 seconds late here. I wanted 56, bro. Oh, that's tough. That's tough. Well, it's back to 54. All right, let me just get the fill at 56, and then you can dump it as hard as you want. How about that? The ask is actually back at 56 now. Bid is 50, and the ask is 56, so that's quite a spread. Well, we will see. See, another bid is 40, and the ask is 50. 56. What a bid ask. Wow. Well, it just came back to 56. So can I get my fill? Alright, well, we'll see. But it's currently sitting at 56, so I need literally 55 now. But 1 more cent to get a fill here. And AHI is back down to 80, so that's very good. Alright, so quite a bit of action here, post-market. And we got something else here, SNOA. And that one actually has news. Another siren. This one actually has news, so... yeah, we're definitely going to put a play in for this one. Fire truck, my bad, guys. 97. 27. Alright, I'm gonna... So, SNOA have some news here. I'm going for 137. Alright. Order in for 137, SNOA. So, yeah, quite a bit of action here post-market. So, CFRX, SIN, AHI, AKU, and SNOA. Cool. Alright. One more scan. Hopefully there's nothing this time, but a lot of action going on here. Alright, let's continue with the show. Alright, I forgot where, I got distracted. What was I talking about? Anyway, I think I said BAOS, big go there. Yeah, I was down 2K there today, and then MIMO, up 455 there. So... yeah, this was pretty bad. So, including AHI, which I'm down 1,700. So, I was down 20... I was down 1,800, and now I'm down, like, 3,500 on the day. So, it was bad and just got a lot worse from AHI. That is turning around, though. But, yeah. Not a great day for me. Pretty good. Pretty good. So, yeah. Super bullish day. Hope you guys made money, but I certainly did not. And BAOS is still going nuts here. This is crazy, bro. Wow. Is the meme back? I don't know. BAOS, AHI. Is AHI Chinese? And these Chinese stocks are, I don't like them too much. Very volatile. Why is BAOS mooning post-market, dude? That is insane. It mooned that hard and it's still mooning? What is going on? Madness. Madness. Alright, so in summary, I'm just getting absolutely wrecked here today. From, like, everything. This is really bad. So, hope you guys did better. Alright, cool. Let's get to the watch list. Alright, let's take a quick drink here. And we'll do the watch list. Man. BAOS. That was at like 12. Now it's at 14 post-market. So ridiculous. All right. Let's do it. All right. So the Dow Jones up 0.5%. Sound effect. Come on. Where's my sound? NDX, big gain here. Tech is pumping 1.27%. And SPY up 0.6%. So pretty bullish day here today. Bounce right back from yesterday. So VIX is down 2.08%, down 0.29 points. So we're at 13.65 VIX now. So under 14 VIX. Very, very good. That's very stable. Market is pretty confident. Pretty bullish, it looks like. So, yeah, I don't know what all this recession talk is about. Because the market seems to disagree. But, yeah, VIX is looking really good. Overall, as a whole, market looks pretty stable, and overall outlook looks, pretty bullish. So let's check it out. We'll start on the red side. So yeah, GME down 18%. We saw that yesterday on earnings, but we'll do some TA today on that. And Mullen is down 9.6%. So I guess that's an honorable mention. We're not going to do it today because I'm just tired of that stock. It's so trash. But yeah, that's down to 47, pushing 46 now cents. So that went down 50. So a reverse split, and now it's down another 50% in like what, a month? That's so, yeah, go. Sorry, apes, not really. All right. So see a bunch of growth here, growth in memes. Not the biggest price action, but mostly growth in memes. Don't see any value. All right, value is like 1% and lower. Yeah, we got GM, MasterCard, Bank of America, Nike, Target, Exxon, Google, some other stuff. Morgan Stanley. So, Chevron. So, not too much in the red. Not too much price action. Biggest losers are definitely growth in memes and some value in the red, but not much price action at all. So, it looks pretty bullish. And let's go on to the green side here. Yeah, so a lot of stocks in the green. I'm assuming mostly value, but let's check it out. Yeah, wow, Tesla 4.6%. Yeah, mostly tech, it looks like. Yeah, Nasdaq is up a lot. AMD, Nvidia, almost 3%. Amazon 2.5. Netflix 2.4. Something just happened. AHI is back down to 70, by the way. And AKU looks like it wants to hit right there. Come on. All right, my bad. Yeah, Costco 1.75. Yeah, you got TD, Apple. A lot of green here. Mostly tech. So we're not going to spend that much time here. But, yeah, so really bullish day. Value definitely leading the way. Mostly tech. So, yeah. Congrats to... Well, Ape should have won today. Boomer should have won. And I guess Rainbow Bears getting wrecked. Definitely feeling that. So, that's how it goes, you know. Yesterday, I won big. Today, get wrecked big. Anyway, yeah, so, Bulls, Apes, Boomers should be printing pretty big, and Rainbow Bears probably getting wrecked today. So, congrats to you guys. Give you guys the money. And give myself the go. Well, alright, so AHI is down at 65, so, that was up 200%, now it's only up 100%. So, I made quite a bit back there already. CFRX pulling back as well. Man, AKU, it's like right there. It wants to fill. Okay. Yep, there's the stock market, guys. So I hope you made some fat tendies. Let's do another scan, and let's get on to crypto and the news. SIN's getting up there. It's at 261 now, 265. Keep an eye on that. No shares though. Yeah, there's AKU. Yeah, so nothing new. Alright. So yeah, still AHI, SIEN, and KFRX. Major gainers here. Alright, let's get on to... Oh man, this is going up to 15? What is going on, dude? This is crazy. Wow, and it like ripped to 15 right before market. What happened during power hour? Holy crap. Huh. Alright, yeah, this was probably a bad idea, this stock. It was at 10. It was at 10, dude, and then the moon's to 15? What is going on? Really? Really? That's absurd. This was literally at 10 at 3:30. What? Come on. And now it's squeezing post market. This is so insane. This is so insane. Man, not fun to be Rainbow Bear this week. Alright, let's get on to crypto and the news. 1 second here. If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. If you like watching me get wrecked, if you like watching me lose money, smash the like button. If you like watching me make tendies, smash the like button. I don't normally short, but spent time studying how shorts operate to help my trade long. Watch the channel My Investing Club. Never heard about that one. I don't really watch other YouTubers, especially finance YouTubers, because most of them are grifters and just, you know, just don't know what they're talking about. But yes, even if you don't short, you should study. I always tell everyone this. I never understood why apes are like so anti-short. because everyone should learn how to short, even if you don't use it very much. It's still a good weapon to have in your arsenal, in case you do find a very good opportunity to short. And yes, you should learn about it just to understand how it works, and just to broaden your investment knowledge. But yeah, dude. So you did the right thing. I do encourage trying to actively short more, because I do think it's a huge moneymaker. That's literally how I make my living. But yeah, dude. Very very happy that you're even just doing research and looking into it. Because most apes would be like, after shorts, and this is wrong. What's wrong with the market? I will never short. And all right, dude, that's at your expense. They were talking about how brokers sometimes screw their own clients by lending out shares, then running the stock against them. Don't know if that's real or not. It definitely can be true. I don't think the majority of firms are out here, front running their clients like that. But I'm sure it has happened, and it does happen. You do have a few bad actors in the industry, as you do with every industry. So yes, it's possible, and I'm sure it does happen. But generally speaking, no, that that does not happen. But it can, yes. Okay. So that's why if you do decide to invest with that's why if you do decide to invest with a financial professional, I recommend you go with a fiduciary, someone like me, who's a fiduciary, who's required by law to do what's in your best interest, rather than go to a broker dealer who is legally allowed to do anything. They can literally run the trade against you legally. So yeah. So if you guys ever want to invest with a financial professional, make sure they are a fiduciary, not a broker dealer. Okay. Cool. Let's do crypto. So here's crypto. That's up 0.75% today. So slightly bullish day. I'll take it. Let's check it out. Bitcoin up 1%, pushing 27K. Ether 0.6. Binance 1.8. Recovery there. I don't see much price action, but a lot of green. Doge is up a little bit. Solana up. Polygon 1.8. Really not much going on, to be honest, but let's sort this out. AHI is bouncing a little here. I still didn't get a full fill there, also. Alright, start on the red side. Oh, Mr. Spicy Monkey, my bad, dude. Yeah, SEIN, that is up. I'm trying to short that at 275. It's at 273. And there's no shares, though. So maybe I can get a fill later on tonight or tomorrow morning. But yes, thank you for that. It just hit 275, so hopefully I get a fill here soon. But there's no shares available. But yeah, CFRX, SIEN, AHI, AKU, and SN, or not even SNNOA, but yeah, CFRX, SEIN, AHI, AKU are the hot stocks post market here. All right, let's start on the red side. So, not much price action. Biggest loser is Lido, 6.5%. And, yeah, it looks like maybe 20% of the coins in the red here. Not much at all. Slightly bullish day. But not too much going on the red side. And quick peek on the green side. Come on. So 80% of the coins in the green. Also not much price action. Biggest gainer is Terra Classic. Of course. 7.7%. Not much value, it looks like. Biggest gainer is Uniswap for value. And then Binance. So, yeah, slightly bullish day. Most of the coins in the green, but mostly altcoins. So slight recovery. Crypto's been going through it from all this FUD from the SEC lately. But yeah, so slightly bullish day here in crypto. Yeah, so really bullish day stock market, slightly bullish day crypto. So yeah, bullish day overall. So congrats to the bulls, to the apes. Yeah, unfortunately, myself getting pretty wrecked here as a rainbow bear, but that's how it goes. So yeah, congrats everyone. Cool. SIEN. SIEN's up to 305. Actually 315 now, so that is squeezing. Yes, and I'm glad I did not get filled at 275. But yeah, that is mooning, guys. Good short, not financial advice. SIEN. All right, BAOS is down to 13 again. I don't know what just happened. But yes, that needs to go down. All right, let's get on to the news today. What time is it? 4:56. All right, so almost 5 o'clock. We started a little late, but we're doing pretty good on time here. All right, so once again today, guys, we have 4 articles. Two about Binance, one about Crypto.com, and one about GM. So pretty minor stuff. Let's do it. Wow, SI is up to 320 now. And AH is pulling back again. Okay. Cool. All right. So documents reveal Binance US suffered a $181 million loss in 2022. Oh, man. From what? The loss came despite receiving $132 million last year from parent company BAM. And that was due to a cash injection. Someone's friend's calling me here. Can't pick that up. Okay. So yeah. Binance US apparently got wrecked last year. $181 million loss. I mean, it makes sense because all of crypto was getting wrecked. And, most of them went under. So, what's this guy still ringing me, dude? Alright, so yeah, so now that the SEC is cracking down, a lot of information is being made public, so a big loss for Binance US. And staying on that, alright, next one. Alameda Research, which was FTX's hedge fund, was often the only counterparty at Binance US OTC desk. The SEC court filing alleges that the quantitative trading firm, whose executives face multiple fraud charges, maintained a significant relationship with the company's U.S. affiliate. All right, so there's a 136 complaint that Binance US had a significant relationship with Alameda Research. Okay, so it doesn't have much information, but I guess Binance US was the biggest client of Alameda. And I think there were like only 3 of them, like 3 major firms who had like god status when it came to they had like special privileges. Pretty sure it was Binance US and I don't know, maybe Gemini or someone, but yeah. Anyway, so this may be a problem going forward with clawback stuff from FTX. The new CEO getting the money back from the Ponzi scheme. And also, this may be a problem with the SEC because they're scrutinizing right now. So, yeah, Binance is not, well, crypto in general. The crypto exchanges are going through some tough legal battles right now. And personally, I think in the end, it's going to be just a slap in the wrist, on the wrist. This is how finance industry works. You do shady stuff, you get caught, you get investigated for 2 years, slap on the wrist, life goes on. And like, what you gonna do, dude? FTX is gone. All right, next one. Is Crypto.com SEC's next target? $65 million sent to Binance raises red flags. All right, so recently there has been speculation in the digital asset community that the SEC may sue Crypto.com. This comes after the SEC filed similar lawsuits against Coinbase and Binance. Okay. So just rumors at this point, but they named specific securities that are sold on Crypto.com, including Solana, Sandbox, Matic, CHZ, Binance, Mana, and Algo. And a large whale sent a significant amount of money to Binance. 30,000 ETH worth 55 million. And also $10 million in Tether. So, yeah, just speculation, but I would not be surprised. And looks like a few people are preparing for this. So, yes, Crypto.com could be next on the list for the SEC. All right, and last one. GM to invest $500 million to build next-generation Cadillac Escalade, other large SUVs. Is it EV? I don't think so. All right, here's some financial advice, guys. Don't buy an Escalade. Don't buy anything GM or, Cadillac or anything. Terrible, terrible money pit. Only do that if you're, like, legit rich and you want, and you just don't care about money and, you just want to care about your image. If you can afford it, sure, but very, very bad investment. Instead, get like a Lexus or something like that. Acura. All right. Anyway, GM plans to invest more than $500 million in a plant in Texas to prepare the facility for production of its highly profitable next-generation large SUVs. The Detroit automaker said the investment will include new tooling and equipment in Arlington Assembly's stamping, body shop, and general assembly areas. The notably profitable SUVs remain in high demand, and sales are needed to assist in funding in the automaker's investments in EVs. All right, so I don't think this is an EV. It's just a regular gas guzzler, but still very popular. Americans love their Cadillacs, love their Escalades, and their Range Rovers. So, yes, that's probably why GM's up today. I think it was up, right? All right, cool. So that's all the news for today, guys. Good stuff. Let me pull up our YOLOs while we do another scan and RTA today, and then we'll finish up. So we should be out of here, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. All right, so BAOS back down to 13. Thank God. I was getting pretty nervous here, not gonna lie. All right, wow, SIN up 97% now. How do you know when to short? Some of these post-market movers have been insane. Yes, so that is up to, I see that, it's up to 330 now. I still did not get filled, and that's a good thing, because I wanted this back at 275, so I don't know how to know when I short, so this is what I do, not saying you should do this, but, so I usually play it on a gap, so, for example, SIEN. So, I short based on the gap plays. So, if this... what was that? Oh, I just got filled on more CFRX, I think. Yeah, I think I just got filled on more CFRX. Anyway, so yeah, so I do the gap play. So if the high was 175, I always go 40% above the gap. So if the gap is at 175, 40% would have been 275. So 175 times 1.4. So that's how I came up with the entry of 275 on SIEN. And that's how I do it for every stock. I always put the entry 40% above the gap. Again, not saying you should do that, but it works for me. So I just got filled. See if I can get more here. 213. It's gonna give me the stupid contract not available. Watch. How many shares can I get? Well, it's limiting me. Apparently I don't have enough margin. But I do have 730 shares here, so I got like a half fill here. The gap is from the close? Yeah, so the high, no, well, not the close. Yes, in this situation, it is also the close. 175 is the high and the close. But normally, it would just be from the high, not the close. But yeah, in this situation, it's both. They're both 175. But no, it's the high, not the close, to clarify. Okay, another skin. Yeah, it looks like AKU is not happening. That's unfortunate. Oh man, I was literally 0.01 cents away from that one. I'm telling you, the market makers know the order book. There's CFRX. SNOA slowly moving up. Yeah, so still nothing new. And of course, AHI going nuts again. Alright, let's do our TA. So, what was for today? GME, Carvana, BAOS, and MGOL for Mark. Okay. So, GME. What up, Soar? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. What's up? How's Ben, BENF looking to you? Sure, we'll look at that right now. Let me just get through these other stocks. I think I saw that mooning, or not mooning. I think I saw it halt this morning to the downside, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that. But I did see that moving today, so sure, we'll look at that right now. Can you do Upstart? Yeah, sure. All right, we'll do all of that. If you guys smash the like button, though. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Okay. GME. So we kind of talked about this one yesterday. Because this did start tanking yesterday post-market due to earnings. That's why it's down today. So yeah, EPS. Yeah, EPS was negative 17 cents. Missed a negative 14. Oh no, actual was negative 14. Missed the negative 17 estimate. So actually, that's good. They beat the estimate. The EPS, and I think the revenue they missed. We're not gonna look at the earnings, but they were disappointing. And yeah, so the stock tanked 18% today. So let's see here. So RSI is currently at 44, a little bit below average there. So current price of 21.44 should be a little higher. Kind of a cup and handle at like 27. And down here is like 16, so yeah, so this should have pulled back to like 22, 21 to form the handle, which it is right now. So that's actually bullish. So cup and handle was bearish, it pulled back, and now it's bullish again to form the handle. So this may come back up to 27 to form the handle and complete the cup. So bullish there, gap down, bullish. So this should come back up to 20 at some point to fill the gap. MACD is bearish at the moment. So anyway, be careful because this is a meme stock, so you can't put too much weight on the technicals or the fundamentals. But yeah, based on the chart here, this does look bullish in the short and long terms. Maybe it'll probably gonna keep pulling back for the next few days, but should start to bottom out and catch support eventually, pretty soon. And yeah, in the short term, has the potential to come back up to 27. I'm not saying this will happen, but in the longer term, it does have the potential to come back up to 37 and also 40. There are gap downs there. So yeah, meme stock, more of a gamble than anything, but it does look a lot more bullish than bearish to me. So I'd personally stay away, and I'd recommend staying away altogether if you're not currently in this. But if you had to choose, if you want to gamble, I'd say go long instead of short. Not financial advice. All right, next one. Let's do Carvana first, actually. So I think they got an upgrade. All right, so this is a meme stock. So looks pretty bearish to me. Actually, a gap got filled here. That's crazy. Gap got filled at 25. Looks pretty shady, like some market manipulation. I don't know, but anyway, so gap got filled at 25. Cup and handle at 27, bearish. Gap fill that is now bearish, and let's say the cup here is at 7, so 18, 9. So this should pull back to around 20-ish to form the handle. And there's also gap ups back at 750 and 1650. So this should pull back down to 1650, fill that gap, and maybe even 750. May take a little while longer though. So yeah, bearish there. RSI at 81, bearish. Cup and handle, bearish. Aftermarket action, bearish. Looks really, really bearish. And this is a trash meme stock, so pretty confident this will pull back. Just a matter of when, not if. So let me actually see if there's shares here. There's a lot of shares, actually. Not a lot, but there are still 17,000 shares available to short here. Alright, so, yeah, meme stock. Congrats to the apes. But looks pretty bearish. Should start to pull back pretty soon, so if you're currently up, hit the sell button, secure the gains, cash in, don't go long, and looks like a pretty good short at the moment at 24. And good time to exit would be 1650 and maybe even 750. May take a while to come back there, but eventually maybe it will. But definitely should come back down to 1650. Excuse me. So that's quite a bit of downside potential there. About 40%. So, yeah. Cash in, secure the gains, go short, and cover at 1650. Alright, BAOS. Full disclosure, I am currently short this stock. Wow, it closed at 14, huh? Unbelievable. Alright, so Chinese stock here. No idea why it's mooning, but it did. Um, Big price action today, 137%. But looks pretty straightforward, looks pretty bearish at this point. So, yeah, massive volume, 16.5 million volume, by far biggest of the year. So definitely squeezing. RSI at 75, so this is overbought, overvalued. Aftermarket action down at 1350, so that's bearish for tomorrow. And gap up at 613, so this should pull back down to 613 to fill this gap. So, yeah, all bearish indicators. Really not much bullish happening here. Pretty straightforward. Not sure why it's mooning, but it did something funny going on, but is due for some significant pullback. So, yeah, if you're long, you should probably cash in, secure the gains. And $14, good time to short. And covering at $6, good time to exit. A lot of downside potential here. More than 50%. 60% looks like. Or 55%. So yeah, pretty straightforward there. Cash in and short. Okay. I don't really like GME, but grabbed a few July $20 calls using some profits from Unity just in case. All right, dude. Good luck there. Hope it works out. All right. That's all my TA. Let's do TA for you guys. MOGL, BENF, and Upstart. All right, so MOGL, this one's pulling back, down 15% and even more post-market here. It's actually down 17% here. So, yeah, we already covered this one, and my opinion's still the same. Still looks pretty bearish. Pulled back a lot today, but still a lot of downside to go here. RSI is still at 67, so not overbought and overvalued anymore, but still pretty high up there. Still not the greatest entry. Certainly shouldn't go long. And there's still a gap up at 125, so this should pull back down to 125 to fill that gap. And the volume is coming down, so in aftermarket action. So yeah, it looks like it's done squeezing. Looks pretty bearish, due for some significant pullback, and started today, and looks like it will continue to pull back. So this one is pretty straightforward. I'd cash in. Yeah, I'd cash in before, because it's falling knife right now, and it will, well, not financial advice, but it looks like it will crash. So secure your gains, cash in, and this is actually a good time to short and cover at 125. So a lot of downside potential here. 40% downside potential if you short at $2. All right, so pretty easy short here. Pretty easy sell and short, in my opinion. All right, BENF. I can't really analyze this. That's one day of trading. Is this a new stock? All right, it's a merger. So yeah, I can't analyze this. This is a brand new chart. Wish I could. So, sorry, SOAR, cannot comment on this one. There's no data to analyze. And last one, Upstart. Alright. So, I think we saw this one the other day. I looked at this. Yeah, this is nuts. This is definitely low-key gamma squeezing, or just straight up short squeezing, for the past month here. Looks like microvision. So it went from 12 to 33, almost 200%. That's insane. So it looks pretty bearish. Not saying it's done just yet. Honestly, may have a bit more upside to go, or maybe even a decent amount of upside. But yeah, RSI is at 67, so not quite overbought, overvalued, but approaching that gap up at 14. So this may pull back down to 14. It should eventually, actually. Anyway, so in the short term, this may come back all the way up to 37 to complete the cup. Really don't think it's going to go higher than that. But yeah, I'd say that the high is 37. The low would be Yep. So potential high 37, potential low 14. Yeah. So maybe don't short it just yet, but it looks like it's due for some significant pullback. Definitely squeezing for the past month. Not done just yet, but wouldn't go long. You know, that'd be chasing at this point, FOMO. And I wouldn't go short just yet, but it does look like a good opportunity. It could be a good opportunity coming up here. So, yeah, I'm going to say short term. Well, immediate short term, probably bullish, but short term bearish, and longer term, probably. You know, longer term, I can't comment. But I do think this is due for pullback to 14, probably. But may run to 37 in the short term. Okay. So yeah, could have a little bit more upside potential, but probably due for some significant pullback. All right, cool. Let's do another scan and then get on to our YOLOs. It is 5:21. So spent a lot of time here already. Hope you guys are enjoying the show. Did they ever figure out who was responsible for HKD pump last year? No, not that I'm aware of. But few apes got rich, many apes got wrecked. Alright, CFRX is pulling back now. And still... yeah, still nothing really going on. Still just the AHI, SIEN, CFRX, and SNOA. Alright, so we'll come back to this one last time, but let's finish up with our YOLOs. Alright, so only 5 YOLOs today, shouldn't take too long. So let's finish this up, do one more scan, and get out of here. Alright. Damn, AKU is down to 39. Oh, I was so close. 1 cent away. Got a little too greedy there. I wanted 56. I was just a little too slow, actually. Yeah, oh well. Man, came back with 56 and then did not get the fill. That sucks. Literally a 3-minute window there. Man, I was like literally 10 seconds too slow for that. That sucks. Oh well. While AHI still goes nuts. Alright, let's do it. Let's finish up with the YOLOs today, guys. So we have 5 of them. Should go pretty quick. Let's do it. Alright, by Taxman. Up 60K on Tesla. Tesla to the moon. I came to collect. Alright, so this one expires June 9th. Tomorrow. 50 calls. Tesla 232.5. Did he cash yet? Yeah, it's in the money. And why is it mooning post-market? Tesla's mooning post-market. Got some news here. GM partners with Tesla to integrate charging. All right. So Ford did that, and now GM is doing it. So, yep, good for Tesla. Tesla's mooning post-market. So this is worth even more now. Or if he... I hope he didn't sell. Maybe he did. Well, whether or not he sold or not, yeah, so he's up 60K, and if he didn't sell, he's up even more now. So congrats to you, dude. At least the 60K gain. If you haven't sold yet, sell first thing in the morning. I mean, honestly, you should be okay, but yeah. No matter what, sell first thing in the morning, I would say. Play itself. I mean, not the greatest strike, not the greatest expiration, but a little bit of luck, a little bit of skill, and printing tendies. So yeah, congrats. Fat gains, at least 60K, probably even more now. And make sure you hit the sell button, dude. All right. Next one by Avid Hiker, another 21K day. All right, so FDs, NOWFDs, 1-day expirations. So this was a 70K YOLO, and he's up 21K, 38%. Did he sell? He did sell. All right, so I'm glad he sold. Glad it worked out, you know, but this is pretty dangerous, and eventually, you know, you're playing with fire, and eventually this is going to go wrong. It's not a smart idea to risk 70K to make 20K. Yeah, you could have lost 70K, dude. So I'm glad it worked out here, but chill out, dude. This is straight up gambling. You got lucky. You're not going to get so lucky if you continue to do this, and you will give all your gains back. So, epic YOLO, epic gain corn, but holy crap, do not do this, guys. This is insane. And yeah, dude, happy for you, but like I said, you should probably chill out and, you know, practice some better risk management going forward if you don't want to blow up your account. But, well done, well done. Bad play, terrible play. Bad strike, bad expiration, but got lucky, and congrats, dude. Like I said, chill out. Next posting. All right, next one by Aesthetics613. Flipped NVIDIA puts today and made 32K. Well, don't know what the cost basis was, but had a whole bunch of puts here. June 9th, 392.5, 395, and June 16th, 390 and 390 puts. 395 puts, and yeah, cashed in for 32K. Congrats. Not sure how much NVIDIA pulled back, but it was due for a pullback for sure. All right. May need to change the entries calculation to 39.98%. Yeah, because these damn market makers know. I'm telling you. How did it get to 56? It happens all the time, especially on low float stocks. It literally is like 0.01 cents away from hitting my strike, my entry, and then it dumps. So either I'm getting insanely unlucky, or someone knows the order book and is front running me. Which one do you think it is? It's not like, yeah, I can get unlucky sometimes, but if it's consistently happening, it's probably something else. But I feel you. But even if I did change the entry a little lower, they'd probably just front run me again. So I don't know. I don't think it'd make much of a difference. That's how it goes, though. I'm not gonna sweat it. All right, next one by Jurek. Jumped on the FOMO train and caught one station, plus 73% in 1 day. So the Microvision train, yes, this one is still going. I don't know how. I shorted it today, cashed out. I covered for like $50 loss, but yeah, crazy stock there. Still going. I do not know how. So 11K YOLO. So this was a $8 call, and this was yesterday, I think. But $8 call, 11K YOLO, and he's up $8,000, 73%, yes. So June 16th. Yeah, you should probably sell, dude. That expires next week. Not in the money yet, and you know, this can go tanking any day, so I just cash it in. Gotta be happy with 73%. He says he took profits. I don't know how much, but he should probably take everything, dude. All right, well done. But yeah, hit the sell button before it goes go. All right, and last one by Ape prison. Shouldn't have gone against the Carvana bulls. Well, most of the time, when you inverse Wall Street bets, it tends to work. But sometimes you do get wrecked, so it didn't work out this time. But it is a winning play when you inverse Wall Street bets, yes. Anyway, so Carvana, lots of puts. All expiring tomorrow, FDs. So, wow. Alright, well, he's down 213K, and that's only like half of this trade, honestly. So, what, he did a 500K YOLO on this? You gotta be kidding me, dude. 450K YOLO? Alright, here's some advice, and this is not financial advice, but kind of. Do not YOLO 500K on meme stock options. I think that's common sense, right? Apparently not, because the apes continue to do it. But yeah, don't YOLO your life savings on meme stocks. Yeah. Do I need to say that? So he's down 213K, and that's only half of this play. So this expires tomorrow. Carvana is definitely not going below 20 by tomorrow. It's currently at 24. So, yeah, just hit the sell button, dude. Hit the sell button. Save yourself $200,000 before you lose that tomorrow. Yeah, ouch. Go. Epic loss corn. So that's already pretty bad. 213K, and that's only half of it. So, yeah, I think it's fairly obvious. If you didn't cut yet, cut it tomorrow morning. You have to, unless you want to lose another 200K. That's insane, dude. Alright, what up, Kawhi? I don't know how long you've been here, but appreciate you. Alright, guys, so that's all the YOLOs for today. It is now 5:32, so, right on time. We started a little late, but finishing right on time here. So, last order of business, let's do one last scan, and then let's get out of here. So, AHI is pulling back below 70. Very nice. SIEN down to 315. Still trying to short that. Keep an eye on that one, guys. And CFRX is back down to 2. Alright. And SNOA is still up 25%. Sorry about the sirens, guys. But yeah, so nothing new going on post-market. If it does, I will put it in Discord. Yeah, I'm tight. I missed AKU. Oh well. Alright. Cool. So, yes, that is the show for today, guys. Thank you very much. So, we went about hour 25 minutes. So, it started a little late, my bad, guys. But, yes, hope you guys enjoyed. Good amount of content today. And chatting, and rainbow bearing. A little bit of everything. So, I appreciate everyone. Please smash that like button on your way out. And, yeah, that's all I got. So, let's finish the week strong tomorrow. One more day. When is Juneteenth? That's next week, right? That's a federal holiday, so I know the stock market is closed. I think that's next Monday. Anyway, alright, so... Yeah, so... And tomorrow's 6/9. Lol. So... Alright, so, yes, that's the show for today, guys. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And, yep, that's it. Have a good night, guys. Alright, let's get out of here. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See ya guys tomorrow. Peace out.